Hey guys, me Beagle here, and today I am here with a diamond buying animal video. My mum bought me 10 diamonds when I had 6 diamonds, and combined together that's 16. So in this video we're going to be buying a polar bear. Well, I don't really know which one actually. It's either the toucan, the polar bear or the lemur. I don't really want the toucan. I don't really want the lemur. The reason I don't want a polar bear as well is because it's really boring sometimes, and I don't like underwater animals. Shall I get a toucan or a polar bear? Toucan or polar bear? I really want the polar bear because it's so huge, and I really want the toucan because it's a flying animal. Ugh. Let's get the polar bear. They are kind of rare as well, so we might as well get a polar bear. Oh my god, no, it's glitching, isn't it? No, 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 please don't glitch. Okay, it's glitching. There we go. So we're gonna do happy, modern major kangaroo. Lol. Happy magic bear, BBB. Bear, bear. Where's B? There it is. Is bear in here? Yeah, there is. Magic, happy magic bear. No, I like polar bear. Naturally. Happy bear. I don't know what to call it. I really want to spend my diamonds, but I really don't want to spend my diamonds. I'm trying to find something that... Right, I'm just going to look for P. I want polar bear. I think that's why I'm being... Arctic bear. Arctic bear. Happy Arctic bear. I'm changing happy though. Fuzzy Arctic bear. Eternal Arctic bear. Let's go with it. Yay. I'm turning the music on. Oh my god. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, that took like a minute and a half to name it, but it's so cute, this polar bear. Oh my god, I love it. This is adorable. Oh, yay. Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh. Now I can pretend to be a grizzly bear. Why did I just accept that random request? I don't know. Look, it's old Granny. How does he... No. I really like him white. That sounds a bit weird, but I really like him. Actually, her. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to change this. Ooh. The grey looks... Oh my god, that is a really dark black. I'd say this is more black than that. That's like a really dark black. This is like a grizzly bear. This bear's gonna be called Fudge. Fudge. Oh, this is cute. We can have underwater too. I like stars. I'm gonna do my original look though. I'm not gonna keep it like this, probably. Uh, oops. Oops. It doesn't look too bad, does it? I don't know. So we have 6 diamonds left. Let's spend. Actually, I'm saving up for the Winter Palace. Owls are on sale. Yes, I know. I already have an owl, so I kind of don't care. The Falcon Claw. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I'm changing this look. What does the short look like on him? Why do I keep calling it a him? I'm gonna have to make up a look because I need to end this video soon. That's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna make you Christmassy. Aw, I love it. You're so Christmassy and cute. Oh, I love this look. I like this. Actually, I don't know. Actually, I don't. Okay. So we're gonna have to just go with it. Oh, polar bear. So we're just gonna have to go with this look. Stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna have to go with this look for the video. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, comment, and like, and in the comments below, tell me what you think about the name, and tell me what you think about the look. So yeah, bye.